Want to score free Robux on your iPad without all even having to do human verification? Well, you're in luck. I'm about to show you how to do it, and guess what? I'm giving away some free Robux too. All you gotta do is like this video and comment 3 times below to enter. Let's get started. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1, use official Roblox events and promotions. Alright, first things first, Roblox loves throwing events. Keep an eye out for Roblox's special promotions and seasonal events. They often give away free Robux or exclusive items for participating. So don't miss out, stay in the loop, and keep those eyes peeled for the latest event drops. Step 2, join Roblox affiliate program. Next up, we've got the Roblox affiliate program. This is a legit way to earn Robux for free. All you gotta do is invite your friends to Roblox. When they sign up using your link and make a purchase, you get rewarded with Robux. No human verification required. Just share that link and start stacking up those Robux. Step 3, participate in legit Robux giveaways. You know how everyone loves giveaways? Well, Robux giveaways are super common in the Roblox community, but make sure you're following trusted creators or influencers who host these giveaways. They'll usually ask you to comment, like, or follow to enter. No annoying verification. Just good old simple fun and free Robux. Step 4, complete tasks through trusted sites. Here's another cool method, trusted offer sites. Some legit websites will give you free Robux in exchange for doing small tasks like watching videos, downloading apps, or taking surveys. But always make sure it's a reliable site. Don't fall for any scams or shady apps that ask for verification or personal info. Step 5, avoid scams and fake sites. Now listen up, this is super important. Stay away from scam sites. There's a ton of sketchy websites out there that promise free Robux but make you complete all sorts of human verification. Don't fall for it, stick to the official methods I showed you and you'll be safe and sound. That's it, follow these steps and you'll be raking in free Robux without all that verification hassle. Don't forget to hit like and comment 3 times to enter the Robux giveaway. Make sure to subscribe for more epic Roblox tips and tricks and comment below if you need help with anything else. Catch you in the next one.